Heads up, especially for devotees. In a couple of hours, Quiapo Church will come alive with long lines of the faithful and devotees of the Black Nazarene seeking to plant a kiss on the inanimate image of the religious icon for personal intentions. This act of deep faith or endearment seeks to have the grace and blessing from above or from Christ himself fall on them. But there's also a caveat. The observance of hygiene with the effects of the pandemic still hangs over our heads, as our Rod Lagusad reports.
As part of the preparations for the Traslasyon, a send-up ceremony was held at the Quirino Grandstand for the security and safety personnel. Reverend Father Rupino Sascon Jr. of Quiapo Church blessed the security and safety personnel who will be securing this year's Traslasyon. The Philippine National Police earlier announced the deployment of civilian officers for the upcoming Traslasyon. According to PNP, the civilian officers will blend in with the devotees attending the Traslasyon. This is part of the PNP's comprehensive security plan, ensuring that no one can bypass the security measures even if no serious threats to security are currently monitored. In total, over 12,000 police officers will be deployed for the Traslasyon, supported by more than 2,000 personnel from Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine Coast Guard, Bureau of Fire Protection, and other relevant government agencies. PNP Chief Police General Romel Marbil stated that their primary focus is the safety of the devotees.
Wala kami monitor, no? Wala kami nakikitang threat. Ang pinag-uusapan lang namin yung maraming tao. Mas maraming taong dadagsa ngayon kasi mas open. So yun ang namin. Then yung traffic, that's one of the traffic. Same time, we don't see any threat but yung mga masasaktan. Ang inahabonan, how can we improve our services na wala na masaktan.
He also reminded that wearing hoodies, hats, carrying backpacks, and bringing bladed weapons are prohibited. They're also ensuring that the public can easily locate ambulances and comfort rooms. Meanwhile, Manila Mayor Hanny Lacuna stated that everything is ready for the Traslasyon.
Wala na po, ayos na po natin lahat ng dadaanan. Yung mga kalye po na may mga lubak pa ay napa-espalto na po natin. At nagsimula na po tayo ng clearing operations po natin noong isang linggo pa po.
This was followed by a mass for the volunteers who helped the church to ensure the smooth conduct of the Traslasyon this year. Although affected by a technical problem, the issue was quickly resolved and the mass continued. The mass signaled the start of the activities at the Quirino Grandstand. The Quiapo Church also issued a reminder regarding the upcoming pahalik.
Mas maganda pa rin naman kahit naman hindi pandemic, mas hygienic na at mas ligtas ang ipunas natin at mag-sanitize tayo on and before ng pagpugay natin. Kaya mas ini-encourage natin yung pagpunas, no, at paghaplos at pag-sanitize.
Some devotees started queuing as early as Monday afternoon for the pahalik, taking the opportunity to avoid long lines. From PTV Manila, Rod Lagusad, Balitang Pambansa.